Want to know how to set up error codes in Java? Today, we will dive into error codes, and when something goes wrong in your program, you may want to return a specific code to identify what happened. Java lets you do this by combining system.exit with integer values. For example, system.exit is 0. So we have also created a video. This basically just exits out the program. So this simply means that everything ran successfully, while system exit 1 is a method that can signal a general error. You can define your own codes for different issues, like 2 for invalid input or 3 for file not found. This makes debugging and automation much easier. So in this code as well, we have used a different method. We have used a switch case method here. So we have various cases of error. So this is a default, which is a success message, and this is a 404 error, which was not found, which is next is 500 case, which is internal server error, and default which is an unknown error. So this is a simple way to find out errors in Java. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.